So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So now let's do our assignment environment and development week 3rd assignment 3rd. So the first question is, according to Marx, capitalist production disturbs the metabolic interaction between dash man and woman, woman and the earth, man and the earth, man and the environment. So let's check the answer of first question is, so question first, capitalist production disturb the metabolic interaction between man and the earth. So the answer of first question is C, man and the earth. Now the second question is, what does the term eco-Marxism means? Ecological research with feminist perspective, ecological research with anti-feminist perspective, ecological perspective with gender development, ecological research with Marxist thought and action. So the second question of answer is the second question of answer is eco-Marxism, ecological research with Marxist throw and action. So the answer of second question is D. Now the third question is, who among the following sees nature as God Shiva's feminine principle? So these are the option: Ariel, Saleh, Karan J. Warren, Wall Plumwood, Vandana Shiva. So the answer of third question is D. Vandana Shiva. Now, the fourth question is, who looked into the origins of the relationship between woman and nature? So, these are the options: Carol J. Adams, Caroline Merchants, Mary Mees, Well Plumwood. So, let's check the answer of fourth question. So, the answer of fourth question is Caroline Merchant. Merchant 1980 is one of the earliest eco-feminist thinkers to investigate the historical lineage of the woman-nature linkage. So, the answer of question 4 is B. Caroline Merchant. Now the fifth question is, when did ecofeminist emerged? So these are the option: 1970, 1990, 2000 and 2010. So let's check the answer of fifth question. So the answer of fifth question is ecofeminist. The movement emerged in the mid 1970s alongside the green movement and second wave feminism. So the answer of fifth question is A, 1970. Now the sixth question is, which study looks at the interaction between gender, society and environment? So these are the option: eco gender, ecofeminism, development, gender and environment. So let's check the answer of sixth question. So the answer of sixth question is eco gender studies then explore the dialogic character of the relationality of gender, society and environment. So the answer of sixth question is A, eco-gender. Now the seventh question is, what movement in India could be said to have laid the groundwork for feminist political ecology? So these are the option: Chipko movement, independence movement, Swadeshi movement, Satyagrah movement. So let's check the answer of seventh question. So the answer of seventh question, the those adopting a feminist political ecology approach explore the nexus between politics, ecology, development and gender in order to the essential can be seen in some eco-feminist portrayal of the Chipko movement of India. So the answer of the seventh question is A, Chipko movement. Now the eighth question is, the ecological rift was written by which of the following? So these are the option, and the answer of eighth question, let's check. So the answer of eighth question is the ecological rift. Brett Clark, Richard York and Foster integrate the Marxian metabolic rift analysis with the planetary boundaries framework. So the answer of eighth question is B, Brett Clark, Richard York and John Bellamy Foster. Now the ninth question is, cultural ecofeminist promote a connection between woman and the dash. So these are the option: culture, environment, God, man. So let's check the answer of ninth question. So culture ecofeminist on the other hand encourage an association between women and the environment. So the answer of ninth question is B, environment. Now the 10th question is, what in eco-Marxism is the cause of the ongoing environmental degradation? So these are the option: climate change, destructive economic and political system, air pollution, soil erosion. So let's check the answer of 10th question. So the answer of 10th question is eco-Marxism, destructive economic and political system, capitalism. So the answer of 10th question is B, destructive economic and political system. So now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.